2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoon ghee. Mix well. Add water as per require. Knead well to make a dough. Apply cooking oil. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Cook on low flame until it turns light golden. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon salt. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. A half kg boiled and mashed potatoes. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Green chilies chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Set aside. Medium hot oil. Cook until crispy.